to a new tutorial. Today we're doing another tutorial on snowballs. So in the last episode I showed you how to make snowballs explode when they hit the ground. As you can see, these craters are made when I turned off mob griefing. And as I said, I was going to show you some more snowballs. So today we're going to be actually getting a look at how you can do more destruction with snowballs, and you could potentially use it in terraforming. Essentially, what I'm going to do is when I throw a snowball, right, what it's going to do is it's just going to go through this massive block of dirt and start destroying like stuff around the snowball where it is. It sounds a bit complicated, but it's really not. Just one command like the other one, and I'll show you how. First things first, you're going to want to give yourself a command block. There's commands, of course. And then in the command block, you're going to turn the type into repeat, so it's always happening, and make it always active, or you can keep it on needs redstone, put a lever, or whatever, it doesn't matter. I personally would rather have the sun. I didn't really explain this in my last video, but the previous output is essentially just to make it so that if something goes wrong, you can see what happens. You know, it tells you what happens if it's wrong. Anyway, we're going to get started. So, I'm going to type out the command. I'm going to do execute at a type, type equals snowball, run, fill, tilde, tilde, 5, tilde, tilde, 5, tilde, tilde, 5, air. That's the whole command. Essentially, what happens is that at every single snowball, it's going to fill the nearest like 25 or 125 blocks, so 5 on the X, Y, and Z around it with air, so it's going to like destroy it around. You can also change the number here from 5 to 10 to 15, 20. From what I've experimented with, the max you can do, I think, is like 35 and 35 and 35, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to show you what happens when you do that. So it's all up and running, as you can see. It'll say this because I haven't thrown a snowball yet. And let's see what happens when I throw the snowballs. Make it turn at this massive cube. See what happens. See? Like a massive crater. See, like, it's big. See? Look at that. As long as the snowball doesn't hit the floor, you can just, like, make gigantic holes like this. And you can do as many snowballs as you want, of course. See? But now, let's change the size to 10 by 10. Oh, sorry, not far from 10. By 10. And I'll show you what that looks like, in case you're curious. Something like this. See? Way bigger. It's massive when all the way around. Holy macaroni, bro. Look at that. Wow. Anyways, I think that's really it. If you're curious on how you get like this massive dirt block, because of course I didn't really build it by hand, it'll take way too long. What I did is I went over to like the location over there, of course, and I ran this command. So if I type it out, it's going to be fill tilde tilde 30 tilde tilde 30 tilde tilde 30 with dirt or any other block, you know, allow, aluminium, whatever. You can even do bamboo, stuff that breaks, but you know, just lag the game. So down block, see, massive cube. Our snowball still works, of course. Goes through it and destroys it. And yeah, I think that's the end of this video. Like and subscribe. If there's anything else you want me to do, put it down in the comments down below. And I think my next video, I'm going to be doing something a bit more interesting, and something to do with something like world edit in vanilla Minecraft. Well, goodbye then, guys.